Now may I ask you, once we are done with this world, God says, you are done. I'm taking you home. What kind of sanctification are you going to face? This is a review. First, positional. Second is experiential. And what is the third? What do you have in mind?
Open.
Refresh your mind. Unsa man?
Open.
Ultimate sanctification. When we are with our Lord in heaven, that is ultimate sanctification. Sanctified ka na, glorify with glorified body. And so, ask yourself in this evaluation time, how often did I reside in the operational divine dynasty? O tuabalan ko sa cosmic dynasty? Satan's dynasty. Satan's power system.